Building owners, building operators, design engineers. When it comes to HVAC systems, they all have needs.
I need to stay competitive. That means my properties need efficient HVAC systems.
I have to keep this building's HVAC system working right.
My clients need HVAC systems that do it all, and I need to design them.
3 different needs, which all can be solved by Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air Systems. Building on the record of performance established by variable air volume systems, Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air Systems are 20 to 30% more efficient, with easier, less complicated installations, and verifiable, easy-to-control operation. All in a system that's made easier to design with exclusive Trane prepackaged solutions. So whether you're a building owner, building operator, or design engineer, you'll find many reasons why a Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air System is the right choice for you.
I'm kind of stuck. My older HVAC system costs more to run. The newer ones are expensive and a hassle. Workers banging around on ductwork all day. Employees having to be moved around from office to office. Just one more thing for my tenants to complain about.
Upgrading to an efficient Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air System doesn't have to be cost prohibitive, because it can work with much of your existing HVAC system's architecture. So upgrades can be fast and uncomplicated, thanks to components like retrofit dampers, controls that don't need complicated field programming, and easy-to-install Trane wireless comm technology.
Efficient, affordable, easy to install. I'm sold.
HVAC systems are just one of the things I need to keep working right in 4 different buildings.
Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air Systems can help by telling you how they're working in real time with easy-to-read interactive system dashboards, so you can monitor performance, efficiency, and easily make adjustments. There's even a mobile app for smartphones.
Now I always know how my HVAC systems are working, no matter where I am.
Each project is unique, and I need all the help I can get when it comes to designing the right HVAC system.
Trane.com/engineer has the help you need for analysis, design, and selection of all your systems, including Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air. Trane PPS makes system design and planning faster and more efficient, with tools that are available for download when you need them.
Trane makes it easier for me to design efficient systems and evaluate them too. My clients are happy, and that makes me happy.
From design through installation, through their long, reliable lifetimes, Trane Earthwise Intelligent Variable Air Systems are the HVAC solution you've been looking for.